Morning students. Today we are going to learn HTML and introduction. This is one of the computer language because we have seen so many languages, computer languages, C, C++, Basic, Visual Basic, etc. Similarly, HTML also one of the computer language. Among all the languages, this is the very easiest language because in that language but to learn, no need for internet connection. We have to type in the notepad and we have convert it in the browser. So this one, nowadays we are using the internet so much because through internet only we are learning. In internet address, before searching anything, we used to type www dot etc. what theme or any topic we type. Similarly, this is called www World Wide Web. When we type this address, this is specially we called web page. These documents created under the HTML. This is HTML called the hypertext markup language. In that language we are going to learn in this chapter. Initially, when internet was created, it mainly used text to convey or store information. But in 1989 onwards, new standard was developed which allowed internet documents to store and display information in multiple ways. Example, text, images, graphics, audio, video, links, etc. Already I said this, the new standard of WW, the extension name was World Wide Web, or just we can say that in shortcut way, web. In other terms associated with the web, that is also web page, web browser, etc. Now let us see what is the web page, website, web browser, URL. Now first we are going to see the web page. In this, any digital page or document are connected with the internet, that is called the web page. Website, that is collection of interconnected web pages designed with a certain goal in mind. That means collection of web pages called the website. Web browser, that is a program or software client the computer. From that we are collecting the information web. Example, we can take Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, etc. Then URL, this is Uniform Resource Locator, that is called the unique address of the web page on internet. Uniform Resource Locator, you can take the www dot or any topic or any organization, etc. This we can take it. Now we are going to see the HTML and its features. Already we know that HTML hypertext markup language, it is created the web documents as a type the symbol given specific information. Example, we can see this is B, that is bold. This is called the B under whatever it is given both the side, that is a opening tag. In between, that is message hello it is given. Then after that, this is called the closing tag. Now bold, open and closed. This is called the first one is the opening tag B. The next one is called the closing tag. Next one U, it is underline. It is open, the opening tag, and closed, the closing tag. This is part of the markup languages. These both are called the opening tag, closing tag called the markup language. Now let us see that what are the features of in HTML. Any information add in the format, it is called the web. That is already we know that text, graphic, audio, video, etc. Next one, you can link the web page to one another adding hyperlinks. That only we are going to learn in that. First we are example typing them HTML program in the notepad, and we are linking with the Chrome, internet, etc. Example any other web pages. The next one, we can add the backgrounds. If you need to add in HTML background or color image, you can add it. Last point, you can add forms of web pages that you can take the data from the user. Now, how to create the web page? This is the very easiest way. You can open the personal computer, open the notepad, or like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. In that we have to open the web page. The following way how to create the HTML document. Go to the start button, click all programs, then in that you choose the accessories and open the notepad. Here you can see the figure 1. Now the notepad window will be appears or display, that you can see in the figure 2. Next one, how to save the HTML file. Now here in the notepad, go to file menu option, then click save as command, choose the all file. This automatically when you click the save as option, here you just very important that in that notepad extension name .txt. It is not for HTML document. So this is how to use the HTML document. .html is the extension name of the hypertext markup language. So use any file name. First you give the file name, then .html. You have to type in the box. Then click on save button. As save as dialog box, save the file. Here you can see that in that figure 3. Now viewing the HTML document in a browser. Open the browser window. That means your favorite browser, Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, etc. If you want to use a shortcut key, press Ctrl+O, or Go to the file menu option, click open command. Then open dialog box will display. Then click the HTML document button at the bottom. You can see the figure 4. When address bar the browser window, type the HTML document's name along with its path. If you want to view the try.html, store under the My Documents or C drive or any other drive. You just remember under the which drive you are saving the HTML document. Then after that, already I said, go to the browser, press Ctrl+O, and it will display the where you have saved the HTML document, and it will display. You select that file and click open. This browser will show the web page created by you, and compare it code the typed what you have taken the step to. Here you can see the figure 2. I hope that today's class you might have been understood. If you have doubt, in next class we will see. Thank you, children.